Hey guys, just showing off an old, I don't know where I picked up at an auction, very cheap, online, not eBay, but some other, I can't remember the name of the site. Paid $20, got shortwave, got the antenna on it, got from outside. It's a real tone battery power electric radio. The only thing wrong with it is the antenna is busted. I just put my external wires on it. And it's a pretty cool looking radio. It sounds pretty good. Right here.
Alguien introduce actividades para niños y usa ese espacio para sus agresiones. La radio checa ya anunció en 2022 de varios vacíos legales que permitían a los pederastas condenados trabajar con niños. Con la legislación actual,
That feels so good.
I will say, and I've thought about this many a time, if the disciples had decided not to obey
Copa, no solamente eso, ha sido en dos ocasiones.
bueno, dijiste al principio del programa esto. Ahora darás los datos.
Oh, what kills me is they got these guys on here. They get an old radio and they don't know how to use the damn thing. They plug it in and say, "Oh, there's no antenna on it." You're like, "Oh, I can't hear nothing." Here's a working proof radio. This is out of an auction. It's a cheap radio. It's got shortwave, medium wave. They don't really do anymore. AM, FM. As long as it's got shortwave, it's considered a radio today. And it's real way down here to shortwave. And this is not a bad sound radio.
Entonces sería, espero que se país. Ponto mais da.
Yeah. That's that Canadian. That's that New York station. They give them data or something. They've done this before. They jam it with information. Believe it or not, that's out of I think Canada or something like that, making that signal.
mais perto do ter como eu. $2.89 will get you a cup of coffee at the Waffle House in Abington, but I've got a sheet that was given to me years ago.
Efectivamente. Mister Eurocopa, ahora vamos a hablar un momentito de Orlando. Aquí yo creo que Portugal.
And the next one.
Take it away. And I'll say this one other thing, because I have. I don't even think when we interpret the word caput as the covering, which we've looked at on the Ark and many other places, I don't even think that's an adequate word. for Christ's work. Do you know why? Because he just didn't cover us. He cleansed us. This, what we're looking at, would be a covering. The actual fullness of Christ's work is something that is cleansing to the core. But you'd have to read the book to see that. You'd have to read the book.
Read it.
Casturo. Yo, mi dices debido si creo.
Do this.
Al tercer ya no sé, el bisonte sí. En la historia en Mar
The CQ contest.
Estou falando de experiência própria. Não importa quanta.
Well, there you go. This is the Adam Sam Radio Find, an old solid state, real tone, battery or electric. So it's plugged into 120. So just got it out of it's a barn find type thing, and look at it, it's all getting dirty. Gotta clean it up. It receives pretty good. Gotta check everything and make sure it's clean in the inside. Just got this today at an auction online. It's not eBay. I forgot the name of the site, but this is a pretty good radio. I don't think they made too many of them. It's called Radio Tone. Kind of looks like almost like a Sony type radio, but this has leather on it. You can take this out, and the back pops out on it, you know. And I don't know. It's a pretty cool radio. It really is. It's one of those things, love or hate situations, but I love them. I clean it more. It's gonna look nicer and nicer and nicer. And I'm probably gonna want it. Then I'll get sick of it. Probably sell it. But this is it, man. This is not a bad radio. I like these tabletop radios. They always sound good. So I don't know. That's one of my little quick videos on a barn find, like auction type teal radio. Anyway, 73s. Adam Sam Radio. Will B Q R T. I'll catch you on.